Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host T. Welcome to the Adventures of TNT. Now today we have another request. This is coming from our patron Jeff, in which he has requested Fit For Autopsy, and the song is called Black Mammoth. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Now let's find out what this is all about.
We took the opportunity to write this song. I'm not going to get into what it's about. Please go read the lyrics to this song if you like the song. Learn, get educated, and hopefully you see where we're coming from and you at least respect our view.
Yeah.
So this song is called Black Mammoth.
They got a nice sound. I like this. Guys, that was dope. Now, you know what? When the video first started and he said that, go read the lyrics, become educated and, blah, blah, blah. I was like, whoa, shit, what is he going to be talking about? And so I honestly thought that going into this, I was going to be able to listen to the song and maybe interpret the lyrics and give my thoughts on it. But I didn't realize that these guys were a deathcore band. And you're not going to understand anything deathcore band is saying, especially if you're a newer listener to this genre of music, because I am still fairly new to deathcore. There's not too many bands outside of maybe Lorna Shore and Slaughter to Prevail that I've heard. So I'm still kind of exploring the genre. But as soon as he started screaming, I was like, oh, shit, I'm not going to get this. So I went ahead and I pulled up the lyrics. And the lyrics, they're actually pretty deep. This is actually a pretty deep, dope-ass song about, harvesting, well, they call it black mammoth, but I guess oil or minerals from the earth and destroying the earth. So the mother's weeping was like the earth and crying and everything. So yeah, so if you haven't checked out the lyrics, definitely pull them up because there's a lot of meaning behind this song. And it sounded really cool. Now, something that I did find kind of interesting, and I guess it's interesting because I'm still fairly new to the genre, is that when the chorus kicks in, these guys, they didn't switch up their vocal style at all. They didn't do clean vocals at all throughout the whole song. Like, he continued to growl even for the chorus part. And I know with a lot of other metal bands, sometimes they do switch it up on the chorus and they do like a cleaner sound. But I really, really like this. I believe this is the first song from Fit For an Autopsy that I've heard, and I like it. I would love to check out some more of their music. So if you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section, as well as put me on to some other bands as well. I would like to kind of explore more deathcore and that sound. But as always, guys, if you're new here, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.